So we've just backed into our pretend site here at our house. We didn't back over that dog. And first thing we're gonna do is check our level. And as you can see, we're not level. So the bubble is on this side. We need to add a block to that side. It's not a whole lot, so we're gonna try one block and see where we're at. Okay, so your leveling blocks are gonna be in this front compartment on the passenger side. They're right here. So we had some technical issues and lost our sound. But these are the leveling blocks, and they are found in a stack in that front storage. You turn this piece counterclockwise to get it out of there. Then you remove each leveling block. And for this setup, we're only going to put down one layer. If you're further off from level, you may need to stack these to get it leveled out. We're going to place these in front of the tire, and we're going to place 5. I've placed 4 here, but eventually we put down another one just to cover the span of the tires. And you want to make sure they're in line with the tires, and then you're going to want to pull up.
Keep going. Little more. Little more. Okay, stop.
Now that we've pulled up on the blocks, you can see we are perfectly level. That's exactly what you're looking for. So now we'll move on to the next step. In the next video, we're gonna chalk the wheels.